Why choose LML Repair Shop for your Apple device? Your Apple devices are more than just gadgets, they're lifelines. But what happens when they stop working? Where do you go when you need expert care you can trust? At LML Repair Shop, we're proud to be an Apple Authorized Repair Provider. That means we've got the expertise, tools, and genuine Apple parts to restore your device to its best. Here's why choosing an authorized repair provider like LML makes all the difference. First, we use only genuine Apple parts. No imitations, no shortcuts. Second, our technicians are Apple certified, trained to handle your device with precision and care. And third, your repair is backed by Apple's warranty, ensuring peace of mind every step of the way. We believe in delivering not just repairs, but solutions that last. Whether it's a cracked screen, a faulty battery, or a charging port that just won't work, we've got you covered. Don't risk your device with non-certified repair shops. Choosing LML Repair Shop means choosing trust, transparency, and unparalleled quality. At LML Repair Shop, your satisfaction is our mission. With quick turnaround times, affordable pricing, and a commitment to excellence, we're here to make your life simpler and your devices brilliant again. So why wait? Visit LML Repair Shop today, your trusted partner for Apple Authorized Repairs. Click the link below to book your repair or stop by our shop. Let us rescue your device and restore your peace of mind. LML Repair Shop. Genuine care, genuine repairs. We're here when you need us.